morning, children. So today we move on to the next topic, that is electricity. Okay. So before going to touch that unit, we have to recall once again about the atom. Okay. So every matter that is made up of atoms. Okay. So atom means. In the center of the atom it have a nucleus, right? What is mean by atom? First, atom means we can't divide that atom into again. Okay, it is the smallest particle. So all the matters are made up of these atoms only. Okay, so in the center of that atom, it have a nucleus. In nucleus we have it have a positively charged protons and neutrons. Okay, that protons and neutrons are collectively called nucleons. Okay, in that electrons, that negatively charged electrons that around the nucleus. Okay, that for negatively charged electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path. Okay, these are the things we studied earlier in 7th standard, right? So these are the basic things in atom. So atom have protons, electrons and neutrons. Neutrons means, protons means positively charged, neutrons means it does not bear any charge, electrons means negative charge. Okay, so here we are using the charge, so the next one is charges. What is meant by charges? So this electric charge is the basic property of matter. Okay, this positive charge and negative charge. So this charge is the basic property of matter to attract or repel each other. It causes the objects to attract. This is the cause, main uh, basic property. Due to this charges only, material can attract or each attract or repel each other. Okay, that objects can attract or repel each other due to this having property of having charges, that is positive charges and negative charges. Okay, so it is carried by the subatomic particles like protons and electrons. Protons means positively charged and electrons means negatively charged. So there are two types of charges, positive and negative. Okay, if same positive same charges repel each others, positive repel each other, negative means it also repel each other. So opposite charges, that is positive negative, opposite charges attract each other. Okay, so same charges repel each other, opposite charges attract each other. Okay, these are the things about charge. So these electric charges measured in coulomb, and that value is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So these and all given in your book at page number 13 ma. Okay, so the next one is transfer of charges. That is a substance which mm, gains electrons, become it becomes negatively charged, that is transfer electrons. It is the outermost orbit of an atom. Okay, electrons only in the outermost orbit of an atom. It can be easily removed. So it can be transferred from one substance to another substance. So that electrons only revolving around the nucleus, no, so that electrons are easily transferred from one substance to another substance. So that is said to be transfer of charges. So the substance which gains electrons means it, if a substance gain that electrons means it is said to be negatively charged particle, and the substance which loses electrons. Some substances it can lose, it may undergo loss of electrons means it is said to be positively charged. Okay, if a substance gain electrons means it is said to be negatively charged. If a substance losses its electrons means it is said to be positively charged. So there are three types of transfer of charges. So first one is by friction, friction. The second one is by conduction, and third one is by induction. So in the next class we will see about transfer by friction, transfer by conduction, and transfer by induction. Okay, so just read this unit. Okay, ma. Thank you.